In the past year, the Fairfax County Redevelopment and Housing Authority and the Department of Housing and Community Development have made tremendous strides to preserve and expand affordable housing. Join us as we review our fiscal year 2018 annual report. We'll share a few examples of our commitment to providing safe, affordable housing in Fairfax County. In fiscal year 2018, over 18,000 individuals participated in FCRHA's housing programs, which include the Rental Assistance Demonstration Program, Housing Choice Vouchers, and the Fairfax County Rental Program. The average income in our housing programs was around $26,000 for a family of 3, or 25% of the area median income. Approximately 35% of all households served in FCRHA or HCD programs include a person with a disability. The FCRHA addressed the county's growing need for affordable housing through the development of Fairfax County's first-ever community-wide housing strategic plan. The Housing Authority forged innovative partnerships and created new communities under Virginia's Public-Private Education Facilities and Infrastructure Act of 2002. It financed over $9.5 million in the Federal Home Investment Partnerships Program, Community Development Block Grant Funds, and county funds to our local nonprofit housing partners. This includes $2.1 million to Pathway Homes and Good Shepherd Housing and Family Service for the acquisition of housing units, and $7.4 million to Wesley Housing Development Corporation for the Arden Project. In total, these actions preserved 3,016 affordable housing units from April 2004 to June 2018, 3 times the amount of the Board of Supervisors' original goal. In FY 2018, 36 rental and 16 homeownership affordable dwelling units were built. 361 rental and 4 homeownership workforce dwelling units were also constructed. The Residences at Government Center was awarded the Best Affordable Development Award at the 2017 Virginia Governor's Housing Conference. In homeownership, the First-Time Homebuyers Program facilitated the purchase of 27 homes, including 5 under the Housing Choice Voucher. The Housing Authority converted its entire portfolio of 1,060 units to project-based vouchers under the U.S. Department of Housing and Urban Development (RAD) programs. Converting these units gives the FCRHA access to more stable funding from HUD to make needed improvements to properties. The Housing Authority also celebrated the renovation of Wesley Housing's Wexford Manor, which was made possible by $2.9 million in housing blueprint funds. In FY 2018, the FCRHA accomplished greatness through its residents, in particular, the youth. The Murraygate Village Boys and Girls Club was ranked #1 in a Boys and Girls Club National Outcome Survey. The Housing Authority achieved high marks in establishing its first-ever social and emotional learning program at Westford. Project Happiness serves children in grades K through 6 and youth in middle and high school. We are proud of our responsiveness and success, but we acknowledge there is still much more work to be done. We look forward to new opportunities and new partnerships as we continue the mission of helping individuals and families in Fairfax County find a place to call home.